can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. I'm Mr. Legend. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin rally up by 14%. Bitcoin is up 133% on a yearly basis. But the last few weeks have seen meme coins trending. Bitcoin has been slumping. Bitcoin has been moving sideways. Bitcoin is boring. We're waiting for Bitcoin to make a decision. Are we going to finally get that pump to the moon? Or are we going to get our big dump to gobbling town? This is a Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. Bitcoin currently trades around $62,200. Bitcoin is battling its 200-day moving average, which sits around $63,500. I've seen Bitcoin trade around this 200-day moving average for quite some months right now. And the first time Bitcoin touched it since when we escaped from the 200-day moving average to start this bull cycle was in July 2024. Since then, Bitcoin has touched the 200-day moving average 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different times. Bitcoin has traded around that average. But Bitcoin is still moving sideways. Bitcoin is boring both the bulls and the bears. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market right now sits below 58%. Guys, Bitcoin dominance very important for where the direction of Bitcoin will be heading to in the coming days and coming weeks. Over the last 1 week, meme coins have been trending, and anytime history has shown us over time that we see meme coins trending like this and Bitcoin is going sideways, we are getting ready to the end of the rally. We're getting ready for the end of the rally. At the same time, we're getting ready for one epic dumps gobbling town, because when meme coins start pumping, the next thing that will happen is a dump to gobbling town. But I don't think that dump is here. I still think we have some few days of pumping to higher prices. Maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin can finally rally towards $70,000. But if Bitcoin doesn't rally above where we're trading right now, guys, we expected this when Bitcoin was way back in $52,000. We talked about how Bitcoin could rally back to its 200-day moving average and find difficulties there. And our best case scenario was Bitcoin trading at $66,000. Bitcoin even got to as high as $66,400. Why were we expecting $66,000 for Bitcoin, guys? That's Bitcoin's 702 retracement from the top for Bitcoin that came in March of 2024 to the bottom that came in for Bitcoin in August of 2024. Bitcoin has done a full 702 retracement, going from the $49,500 level, rallying back up to as high as $66,400. So I don't expect Bitcoin to pump into higher values. I'll not be shocked if the top is already in for Bitcoin. Liquidation have been rising. The last 24 hours I've seen Bitcoin account for more than $29 million in liquidations. Ethereum has accounted for over $18 million. October is turning to be another crazy month for Bitcoin. We saw general consensus in the market saying, you know what, September is normally red. We're going to have a red September. And Bitcoin switched it up. And we had a very green September. Bitcoin went up 7.29% in September. In October right now, Bitcoin is still red. History has shown us that anytime we have a red September, we are very prone to having a red October, a red November, and a red December. But will this time be different? Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. Yesterday it was neutral. Right now it's neutral. Last week we saw some fear in the market. I will not be shocked to see some great return to the market in the coming days and coming weeks. But right now, the action is in the meme coin market. People are running away from majors. People are running away from Bitcoin. We're seeing meme coins pump aggressively. The last 1 month has seen a meme coin go up over 3,000%. Some have gone up 3 digits. Some have gone up 2 digits. But action is in the meme coin market. Let's take a look at news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin following perfect script to charts, $150,000 all-time high this cycle. A veteran trader says Bitcoin is following a perfect script that terminates with a potential $150,000 cycle high. Bitcoin price consolidating below its 2021 high of $69,000. An independent trader Bob Lucas says entering an explosive period of a 4-year cycle. Now, Bob Lucas believes in the 4-year cycle. He believes Bitcoin is going to $150,000, and he believes we're replaying the 4-year cycle perfectly. Only time will tell whether he's right, but one thing we're sure is that Bitcoin has failed to get to as high as $70,000, and we have been ranging for about 9 months right now. So it's either we're going through a huge accumulation at Bitcoin's previous all-time highs, or Bitcoin is undergoing a huge distribution, which might lead us back down to Goblin Town. Bitcoin Coinbase Premium turns negative as BTC price falls under 63k. BTC price stagnates below $63,000 as on-chain data highlights an uptick in selling activity. So Bitcoin is still having difficulties rallying over that $64,000 level. Rethink Capital backed Redstone launches Bitcoin staking Oracle. Without Bitcoin staking Oracle, BTC-based liquid staking tokens can only be used to provide liquidity on DEX, according to Redstone co-founder Marcin Kremicich. But guys, put us in the comment section. Nothing crazy is happening in the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin right now is ranging around $62,000 to around $64,000. Bitcoin still face huge resistance around $66,000. Bitcoin's market cap sits around the $1.22 trillion level. Bitcoin ranging around this 200-day moving average on a weekly time frame. Bitcoin is still doing very, very well, but it's always that risk of Bitcoin dumping back to its 200-week moving average. For Bitcoin's market cap, that will take us back down from $1.22 trillion to $768 billion level. And for the price chart, that will see Bitcoin trading at 39,900. Guys, that dump can happen, and that dump can happen very, very quickly. So we have to be paying attention to what Bitcoin dominance will be doing in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin dominance right now is showing some weakness. Bitcoin dominance sits around the 57.99% region. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. We're already seeing some early signs in the altcoin market that are sending altcoins going crazy to the moon. That's not good signs for Bitcoin. New retail investors will shun Bitcoin. They'll run to the altcoin market. Even if they get just 100 or 200%, altcoins right now are looking very, very attractive more than Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is still king of the market. I still expect Bitcoin to show us the direction of where the market is heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks. If Bitcoin tops is in, guys, expect a huge dump to Goblin Town. But if Bitcoin still has one final pump to the moon, expect to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin in that situation. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still a Bitcoin bull? Are you a Bitcoin bear? How high do you think we can go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.